Or more, if you've been on the Enugu-Port Harcourt Expressway recently, you'd agree with me that something big is happening. A road that was once nothing to write home about, full of potholes, frustrating traffic, and abandoned sections, is now gradually taking shape. No doubt, this road is coming up so well. At this pace, I think by December, we could literally close our eyes and cruise from Enugu to Mbah or Port Harcourt without stress. Now the big question is the federal government finally trying for the southeast region? Forget though, say what you want, but one thing is clear. David Umahi is not here to play. Since he became the Minister of Works, we've seen real action, especially in Enugu. This man transformed Ebonyi State when he was governor. So when he got this new role, I just knew he would replicate the magic elsewhere. And true to form, he is delivering. For instance, the new artisan bridge in Enugu is expected to be fully functional soon at the Enugu-Port Harcourt Expressway. Well, let's say before December, before the year runs out, it should be ready for use. In fact, David Umahi himself has been on the ground, personally inspecting the progress and setting strict deadlines for contractors. He even warned that any contractor who fails to meet expectations will face serious consequences. That's the kind of leadership we need: strict, focused, and results-driven. I also love the partnership between David Umahi and Governor Peter Mbah. It's like a perfect match. These two men are action men committed to infrastructural development in the southeast. Now my question to you is, what other project do you think David Umahi should focus on next, especially in Igbo land? Drop your thoughts in the comments.
It's done and what is left to be done. And a timetable, a fresh timetable on how to complete this job. And the timetable must not pass April 20th. Is that okay?
I will prepare what
yes. You cannot pass April 20th. Tell your chairman, tell your MD. And there must be a meeting, by 2 p.m. in my office. Is that okay? You call your boss to, also tell the president. 2 p.m. on Monday, you must come up with a program of work. And when you come, you collect your bills.